In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business snapshot in Xero. This feature can be incredibly useful for understanding the health and performance of your business in a straightforward and visual way. We'll take you through the process step by step to ensure you can quickly and efficiently access the data you need. First, log into your Xero account and look towards the top of the screen. There, you'll see a tab labeled Reporting. This tab is the gateway to various detailed reports and analytics that Xero offers to help you keep track of your business's financial performance. Go ahead and click on that tab. Once you've clicked on the Reporting tab, you'll be presented with a list of different reports available to you. Navigate through these options until you find one labeled Business Snapshot. Click on Business Snapshot to open up a new world of analytics tailored specifically to your business. Upon selecting Business Snapshot, a comprehensive screen of analytics will unfold before you. This page presents an overview of your business's financial health, showcasing important metrics such as profitability, cash flow, and efficiency. These metrics are neatly visualized, allowing you to catch important trends at a glance. The data is not only eye-catching, but immensely useful for quick decision-making and strategic planning. Make sure to take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page and observe the array of information available. Now, let's explore how you can tailor this data to suit your specific needs. At the top of the Business Snapshot screen, you'll notice options to edit which metrics you want to focus on. This functionality allows you to customize your view, highlighting the data most relevant to your business operations or current concerns. Tailoring your metrics can help in concentrating on key areas where you may want to make data-driven enhancements or keep a close watch. Another essential feature for customizing your business snapshot is the ability to edit the date range, which you'll find at the top right of the screen. Adjusting the date range provides flexibility to view your data over various periods, whether you want a quick overview of recent months, a quarterly insight, or even an annual summary. Modifying the date range allows you to conduct trend analysis over time, enabling deeper insight into how your business evolves through seasons or across years. And there you have it. That's all there is to creating and personalizing a business snapshot in Xero. With these simple but powerful tools, you can stay informed about your company's financial situation and make informed decisions. Spend some time with your business snapshot and learn how to leverage it for strategic planning. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, where we'll explore more tools to elevate your business success.